So yesterday, a massive X-class flare erupts from the sun. A G3 strong geomagnetic storm possible Halloween. Radiation storm warning is in effect. A massive X-class solar flare erupted from the sun yesterday, and it appears an associated coronal mass ejection from the sun could reach Earth on October 30th or 31st, bringing about a geomagnetic storm on Earth around Halloween. A radiation storm associated with the explosion is impacting Earth right now. The largest solar flares are known as X-class flares, and based on a classification system that divides solar flares according to their strength. X class, the smallest ones are A, followed by B, C, M, and X. So, an X class is 10 times an M and 100 times a C class flare. What this means is a solar radiation storm can cause several impacts near Earth. When energetic protons collide with satellites or humans in space, they can penetrate deep into the object that they collide with and cause damage to electronic circuits or biological DNA. So during the more extreme solar radiation storms, passengers and crew in high-flying aircraft at high latitudes may be exposed to radiation risks. During such storms, commercial aircrafts can be routed away from areas with the greatest radiation risks. And according to the SWPC, when the energetic protons collide with the atmosphere, they ionize the atoms and molecules, thus creating free electrons. And these electrons create a layer near the bottom of the ionosphere that can absorb high-frequency radio waves, making radio communication difficult or impossible. There was a certain type of event back in the 1800s. It was called the Carrington event, and it was something similar to what's going on right now. 1859, the storm was so intense that it was a CME that hit, and it caused the storm was so intense it created extremely bright, vivid aurora throughout the planet. So remember the northern lights, the aurora and the northern lights. Well, it actually caused people in California. They actually thought the sun rose early. That's how bright the sky was lit up when this happened. And people on the northern east of the U.S. could read a newspaper at night from the aurora's bright light. So, and people as far south as Hawaii and south central Mexico could see the aurora in the sky. So be prepared for this to be happening possibly around here. It can actually put the grids out, drop the internet. Like my radio signals are already like very, very static, and it's already been that way, and it's even worse today. So just reporting to you guys and let you guys know.